Welcome to week 7. Well, one more week to go. We almost there. Time went by so fast. Last week we looked at operating systems and what is contained within the operating system, such as your disk fragmentation, file management, different types of systems, turning on your networks and things like that. So this week we're going to look at sending and receiving, which is chapter 10. We're also going to look at chapter 11, which is information and detail management. So one of the things we're going to look at when we start talking about information and data management, we're all going to look at how these two come together. Most of you probably already know how to send and receive an email. Well, chapter 10 tells you how that data passes from the sender to the receiver. Okay, we're all going to look at cabling, we're going to look at wires, and how data moves. One thing that the book kind of skims over is the fact that data moves in packets. And in this chapter, it's going to explain the speed. So when we talk about data moving in packets, how do those packets move? How quickly they move from the sender to the receiver? We're going to look at that. In chapter 11, we're going to talk about how to manage our data. What is our process? Now keep in mind this is different from when we talked about storage medium. How do we maintain and store the data? What memory? Random access memory. This is a little bit different. We're now talking about how we present the data. Will we present it in a spreadsheet, a Word document, database? And this could be anything. So you're going to talk a little bit, chapter 4 talked a little bit about databases, but we're going to also address it in this chapter and in a little bit more detail in this chapter. So with that being said, let's now move on to week 7.